further some of the issues that were there in the border issue, and we have again decided that to iron out the final few issues that are pending. That in the next few days we will have another meeting with the Assam counterparts. As I said, that we have come to almost 98% agreement on all the areas, 6 areas. Another 2% to 3% is left, which we are hopeful that in the next sitting we should be able to come to a final understanding, because we expect that MHA will be and the Honorable Home Minister will be calling us for a joint meeting in the next few days. So we would like to close all these areas of differences that are there in the first 6 areas before that meeting is called. So the meeting was convened today so that we could inform the Honorable Cabinet about those developments and areas, and we discuss all those aspects also. So that's the update for today's meeting. We will be summoned or will be called by the Honorable Home Minister. He has already told us that he will call us towards the end of this month or early next month. So we will wait for that. But before that happens, as I said, we would like to come to a conclusion in the small areas of differences that we have. As I said, 2-3% of areas are left. Otherwise, 98% we have come to an understanding.